Oh, so you
Hello.
felt that, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, ow. Lots of stuff. Um,
Okay.
I will admit, someone that I went to school with, like through public school and high school, I literally found out like an hour and 5, 10 minutes ago that he passed away. And I haven't
Sorry.
talked to him recently, but I got stuff coming up even for that.
Mhm.
Um, what you had just done there or said there hit me here, which means I think we figured out that the more positive stuff hits me on the right side, whereas the
Okay.
heart things, the negative stuff on the left. So I made a few phone calls, not phone calls. I did some messenger messages and reached out to some people and made some small sales this weekend. So
Okay.
I stepped forward.
Cool.
I still don't feel like making the other calls to follow up with the leads of the people who said, please, I would like an appointment. That hurts my head.
Mhm.
And another thing that's going on, I won last week the JV directory,
Yep.
and within minutes, I had stuff going on, and it's brought me back into. I've won things before, and I just take it and I love it and I do things. But this time it was like, well, how much do I deserve this? Am I going to not make the benefit out of this that I could? And then I'm into past coaching and stuff that happened, and I didn't get, I didn't do the things that I could have, should have, whatever's.
Mhm.
And that's all been happening in my brain.
Okay. Okay.
I
So
know
there's a
there's a lot
couple
of
things.
stuff there.
Yep. Okay. What would happen if you didn't take advantage of that prize you won?
I'll feel bad.
Okay. Will you have to
I
punish
won't move
yourself?
my business forward like the potential that they could give me.
Okay. You want your business to move forward.
Um, yes.
So that's not coming up true.
Yeah. I
Okay. This
felt
is also why you're not going to people that specifically are saying, I want to work with you and saying, well,
right.
here's how we work together.
Yeah.
What's going to
I
happen
love
if you
that
say
people
yes
are
to them?
squeezing themselves in to see me, but I
Yeah.
gotta work with the ones that don't respond immediately because I don't respond immediately.